Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint sauce. This delightful condiment, often made with fresh mint, vinegar, and a touch of sugar, brings a bright, tangy flavor to your meals. It's incredibly simple to incorporate into your cooking, whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or a special occasion feast. Let's dive into some easy methods to enjoy this flavorful addition. The classic pairing for mint sauce is undoubtedly lamb, where its sharp, refreshing notes cut through the richness of the meat beautifully. Simply spoon 1 or 2 tablespoons over your roasted lamb. However, don't limit yourself. It also works wonderfully with roasted chicken or pork, adding a vibrant contrast. Try it with grilled vegetables too for an unexpected, delicious twist. Beyond traditional roasts, mint sauce offers many creative culinary possibilities. Try stirring a spoonful into plain yogurt to create a quick, cooling dip perfect for appetizers or alongside spicy dishes. You can also whisk it into your homemade vinaigrettes for a bright, herbaceous salad dressing. For a flavorful boost, use it as a marinade for chicken or white fish before grilling. For optimal flavor, serve your mint sauce at room temperature, allowing its aromatic qualities to fully develop. If you've made it from scratch, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 5 days. Remember, a little goes a long way. Typically, 1 to 2 tablespoons per serving is plenty to enhance your meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.